Let's look at number 1. Number 1, write a segment addition postulate for the points described. Draw a picture to help. Number 1, S is between D and P. So here a segment is just part of a line. So if I drew a picture like so, if I draw just a part of a line, D and P will be on the ends and S will be in the middle. The addition postulate will state that DS plus SP must then equal DP. Number 2, J is between S and H. So same thing, I'm going to draw a segment with S and H at the end and then J in the middle. So we can say SJ plus JH equals SH. Okay, and that is all.